Apple just released macOS Sequoia 15.6, and the question is whether it's worth updating now or waiting for macOS Tahoe in a couple of months. Sequoia 15.6 is a maintenance update focused only on bug fixes and security patches. It addresses issues like firmware update bugs and reliability in Apple Configurator, and the security improvements are the strongest reason to install it. But the elephant in the room is battery life. Since Sequoia's launch, MacBook Air users have seen runtimes drop from over 5 hours to barely 3, and while 15.6 includes some power-related fixes, like preventing depletion during sleep, it doesn't fully solve the drain problem. The timing makes it feel more like damage control before Tahoe arrives. Verdict: if you're already on Sequoia, update to 15.6 for the security fixes. But if you're still on Sonoma and stable, it may be smarter to hold off and jump straight to Tahoe instead of dealing with Sequoia's battery headaches.